Clay is creativity, a material for expression, communication, and learning for all ages. From toddlers to elders, whether wheel throwing or hand building, clay empowers everyone to tap into their own creative expression.
Clay is culture. It is a recorder of human experiences used for generations, dating back to wares from indigenous people like Sinacomaca to Henrico County in the 1700s and many, many more communities throughout Virginia. Clay is a cross-cultural connector. From pre-Columbian to African to Asian art you can find in the Virginia Museum of Fine Arts permanent collection. It is a material that innately represents change, telling stories of past histories and shaping hopeful futures of tomorrow. Clay is community. Whether we are gathering for meals or in the studios building alongside each other, sharing successes or glazed catastrophes, firing each other's work, clay is a community-based material. We are fortunate in Richmond to have a plethora of clay studios. Some are even mobile, working to bridge accessibility gaps here in Richmond. Whether we are toasting after a studio day or coalescing for exhibitions, clay can be a conduit to building stronger, more connected communities. We are excited to host the 2024 annual NCECA conference here because Richmond is for clay lovers.